How can artificial intelligence help your small business grow and improve? AI can help your small business in various ways. AI can automate mundane tasks such as data entry, scheduling appointments, and responding to routine customer inquiries, freeing up time for you to focus on more important tasks. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer service, handling routine inquiries and directing customers to the right department or person. AI can help you personalize your customer's experience by analyzing their data and behavior to suggest relevant products or services, promotions, or content. AI can analyze your customer's data to help you target the right audience and optimize your marketing campaigns for better results. AI can help you make better decisions by providing you with valuable insights, predictions, and recommendations based on data analysis. AI can optimize your business processes, reduce operational costs, and improve efficiency by automating tasks and providing real-time insights. Overall, AI can help your small business to be more efficient, productive, and customer-centric, enabling you to focus on growing your business and achieving your goals. BizApp 247 has integrated a few new AI technologies into our platform that will help all small business owners become more efficient, save time and money, and make more sales. Now is the time to get your business on the path to success. We offer a 14-day free trial for you to see what everyone is raving about, so what's there to lose?